In today's video, we're going to take a look at the Aocchi BX navigational system. Its features include wireless CarPlay or Android Auto, navigation and GPS tracking, front and rear cameras, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, tire pressure monitoring systems, a smart blind spot detection system, and a quick release metal bracket design. And we're going to put it on a Honda 300 Rally. The Honda 300 Rally is a very capable bike, but it lacks all the bells and whistles that a lot of other adventure bikes have. And the Aocchi BX is going to change all that today. As soon as you get your hands on the box, you can tell that it's a quality product. And everything you need in order to use the Aocchi is included in this box. Even the 64 gig memory card that you'll need for recording video. And it's super easy to install. You just take 2 screws out, remove the rubber cover, put the SD card in, reinstall that metal cover and rubber cover. Once I got that on, it was time to go install the Aocchi BX. Installation, at first it kind of had me a little bit worried. There's a lot of wires, but honestly their wiring system is super easy to work with. Everything's labeled clearly. All you do is connect everything, run your wires, and hide them. All I had to do was remove a few bolts, side panel, the seat, the front windscreen. Then I was simply just running wires and hiding them tucked away cleanly on the bike. Once I was finished with that, I wanted to make sure that everything was going to power up before I started to put it back together. And honestly, first try, it worked like a charm. So the only thing left to do from there was to install the quick release mount and put everything back together on the bike. I really like this quick release mount. What's cool about it, it allows you to remove the display unit. You know, that comes in handy, like say if you're on an overnight trip and you're staying at a hotel and the bike's outside, you don't want to leave this thing sitting where somebody can grab it. So you just throw it in your bag and take it in the room with you. Once I had everything finished up, I powered up the unit for the first time and went through the steps of setting it up. Super easy, very straightforward, and I had no problems whatsoever setting the device up or hooking up to my phone via Bluetooth. I really like the way the display looked. It's super clean and easy to read. So from there, the only thing left to do was to install the tire pressure monitoring system, then I put the blind spot detector, it tucked away cleanly towards the back, along with the rear view camera. The GPS unit looks great and is hidden up on front of the tank. And last but not least was the front camera. Kind of looks like a nose on the front of the Rally. So with all that being said, it was time to get out on the bike and see how this thing works in the real world. The first thing I tried with it was just listening to music, and I played around with a couple of different maps. One of the apps I use for my maps is Aocchi, and I played around with it early on while I was trying the Aocchi out. Turned around here. What was cool is it even let me know that this road was closed and put me back on the correct road. I guess we'll just go kind of explore around a little bit. From there, I switched backwards and forwards from OnX. I played around with Google Maps, and it was really cool how easy it was to switch backwards and forwards. Making phone calls was a breeze. I was really happy with how good this unit works and how easy it was to set it up. Not to mention how clean it looks on this Honda Rally. I mean, if you didn't know any better, you would have thought, hey, Honda must have put this on there from the factory. It's that clean of a unit. Not one of my better ideas. Fun fact, I'm currently on Section 9 of the Southeastern BDR. It runs right through my hometown here in Irwin. So plan on riding all of Section 9 here in the next couple of weeks and doing a video on it. And you can guarantee I'll be using this Aocchi BX system when I ride Section 9. I'll probably use OnX maps to find my way through that route. After the ride, I wanted to come back to the garage and just kind of show you how great the screen works. It was hard to see it in the daylight while I was out riding through my camera. But you can see here, it's easy to switch back and forth to your music apps. You can toggle through them and listen to whatever you want to. Going into the settings is super easy. And all this worked, like the touch screen would work when I had my motocross gloves on as well. So that was really nice. You can see here I'm just toggling back and forth, working through the screens, and everything just works so quick. No events today. And this is a really cool feature. The video cameras, you can go in and you can record stuff from your rides. And you see here I've got a few clips saved. If somebody messes with the bike, you know, it'll automatically record. Just a really awesome feature, especially if you like to record your rides, anything like that. And pretty good quality too. All in all, I really like the Aocchi BX navigational system. They've done a really good job putting this system together, and what's really cool about it is it took a Honda CRF Rally, which was basically just a big dirt bike, and it gave it all the bells and whistles of a BMW GS. So will I keep it on the bike? Absolutely. This is a really great unit, and what's cool is Aocchi has partnered up with me to get you guys a 22% discount. All you have to do is go to the link in the description, and at checkout enter code Daniel Engel for 22% off. And as always, thanks so much for watching. If you made it this far in the video, click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, and YouTube thinks you're going to like this video up in the corner.